up, guys? So 2 jobs on the books for today. Today's just a, let me turn this around. So today on this first job, this is a small single wide. A living room and 2 bedrooms for this vacuuming. So the situation is the tenants moved out, but the owner still smelled pet stuff like pet dander. And she said pet pee. I don't really smell pet pee, but I smell pet dander. So we're gonna do overall deodorizer for her. And so for the cleaning, I'm gonna charge her $200. That's our minimum. And then we're gonna go ahead and charge $120 for a full deodorizer on this. Okay, we're gonna do the Green Rhino cocktail all over, right? All over pet treatment. I'll say, so interesting thing, in the Green Rhino Academy in the Facebook group, I had a student run into a pet dander issue. And so I did a video, posted it in there for, ways to take care of pet dander odor. And so basically what it is, guys, is doing a really good vacuum and having a quality vacuum. Go ahead and do a deodorizer. What I do is a Green Rhino cocktail and pre-spray everything, and then agitate everything in with a multi-wash or a CRB type machine. That's a multi-wash, but CRB type, kind of rotating brushes that picks up any additional pet hair that is in the carpet, which is causing that smell. If you don't get all that hair out, you're still gonna have that smell no matter what deodorizer you use. So yeah, definitely every square inch with that to pick out the maximum amount of pet hair, and you shouldn't have a problem. Okay, so lighting's not too good in here, guys. There's no lights in these bedrooms, but just going around doing a nice deep pre-spray. We're not puddling it up or anything like that, but plenty in there because we want to get that deodorizer deep in the fibers. And when she goes through with the CRB, we're going to be scrubbing it deep into the fiber. Right? And then, as I expected it even more, it was kind of light in here for the UV light. I do notice a little bit more pet stains than initial. Right here smells the most. I didn't really smell it throughout the rest of the house, but I could see some shading in there. So whoever they had clean these carpets didn't address the odor issue, and there's a lot of times the customer won't want to pay for it too. It's not entirely the carpet cleaner's fault. So that's what I'm talking about, the CRB type machine. It's like kind of rotating brushes in there. This is a multi-wash, but if you want to know what a CRB is, just kind of Google it. CRB for carpet cleaning. So yeah, looks better, should smell better once it's fully dry. What I also do is I have a deodorizer, because when you're cleaning and you're doing deodorizing and you're using hot water, stuff wants to rise, right? So what I do is I do a little spray of this stuff. You can get this stuff at Lowe's. It's awesome. It's strong. You just need a little tap and it just neutralizes anything, right? So it's really good to have on hand too. Say you have an emergency and you gotta go number 2 in somebody's home. This will kill it. Anyway, that's it for this one. We're gonna head off to our next job. Oh, by the way, this job took us 1 hour. All right, guys, second house. And we're doing a full or actually we're not doing a pet treatment. Sorry about that. Just doing a carpet cleaning to move out. I already have my solution mixed up. All 4 gallons should do the job. Maids were here and vacuumed. Get these lights on. We're here and vacuumed, so we don't have to vacuum. So that's always a plus. 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms, short hall, stairs, and this TV room right here. So carpet is in great condition, right? It's not no obvious stains or anything, just normal wear and tear. So it should be easy clean. Do see a little bit something there. But we're gonna get started. All right, guys, all finished up. So, yeah, staircase didn't show that, but job went pretty smooth. Just a couple spots I found a little bit of paint, so got my paint oil grease remover right there. Scrubbed it and then rinsed it. Came right out. And yeah, so we're wrapping everything up. All right, so the job took us an hour and a half. The ticket's for $405. Actually, the ticket was wrong. I gave her a quote over the phone. I don't know how I got it wrong, but it should have been $420. And also, she was out of here really quick, right? There's 2 master closets she didn't mention. But I already invoiced her, so, you know, it is what it is. But hour and a half, $405, not bad for a cleaner, right? So if you guys are looking to get into the carpet cleaning industry and you're just browsing through YouTube and watching a whole bunch of videos and stuff like that, that's great. That's what inspired me to start my own business. But guys, you need a game plan. You can't just be sporadic, okay? Learning how to clean carpets is one thing. Learning how to build your business is the other thing. So, of course, below all my videos and the app I use to operate my business, link below there also. So if you're in the business, you're looking for some an app that just does everything for you, House Call Pro is it. So you get two months off or a half off when you use that link. So make sure you use that link. All right. And yeah, that's it, guys. So today was Let me see, 405, 320, 725. $725 a day, and the job took us 2.5 hours. All right. Damn, it feels good to be a carpet cleaner. Sorry about that. I misinformed you. Half hour for driving, so 3 hours. Not bad.